What is up guys, Sean here from Odyssey, here to teach you how to integrate your React application into DataFlower. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that we would want to do is of course to register an account. So we can go here to register and then input our name. Let's just say test name for now. And then make sure your emails are active since you would need to verify your email. So enter my password and then click sign up. Now we have successfully registered, so an email will be sent to verify our account. So as we can see, we have here, and then we would need to verify our account. Now that our account has been verified, we can now go to login. And then again, we would need to input our email and then of course, our password. Now that we're successfully logged in, what we can do is first to create a new project. Say test project for test. Now that we have a new project, what we can do first is go to the documentation to check what we would need. So the first thing for the integration for our React is of course to install Axios. So let me just copy this one and go to my already running up React application and then just install Axios. While waiting, what we can do is first explore administration page. So the administration page contains the keys that we would need in order to integrate our application into DataFlower. So what we have is the API key and the secret key. And we would need another one, which is the project key, which I will be showing you guys later. So now that Axios is already installed, what we can do is just first explore the projects and then go to the test project. So first, let's go to the data storage. So as you guys can see, we have here the storage name, which is the user storage, and users already given to you. So you can view this, but this doesn't have any data yet since we will be adding this now. So let's go back to the documentation. So in here, we already have a register function that we just can copy. So let me just click on copy and then just put in here. Let me just erase that one and then just type in Axios. So as you guys can see, we would need to have a storage ID first. So in order to find storage ID, we would need to click on data storage once again and then just copy this ID. Copy it and then replace it here. The next one that we would need is the project ID first, since we already know where the API and secret key is located. So for the project ID, it's just in the home and then just click this one and then we could copy it in here. Now we only need the secret key and the API key. So let's click this logo and then go to the administration and then uncover the API key, copy it and then paste it in here. Uncover the secret key, copy it and then paste it in here. Now that that's finished, what we can do is create a button to actually register a user in order for the function to be used. So let me just delete this first and then just type in button. And then for the button, register user. And then we would have an on-click function for it, which is function and then register user DataFlower. As you guys can see, this would take in 3 parameters: username, email, and password. But you can add more as you wish. So for username, let me just say test. And then for the email, test@gmail.com. And then for the password, just test1234. Save. So let's try to inspect first and open the console to see if it will work. So let me just press register user. As we can see, user registered, which means our function is true and then it's finished. So where would it go? So let's go to the projects tab and then go to the test project, to the data storage, and then view this storage. As you guys can see, we already have a info in here. So we have the email and the password is already hashed and the username and some other data such as created at and updated at. So, that's how easy it is on how to integrate DataFlower into your React application. But of course, this is just the beginning. We actually have more tutorials in line for you guys, so just tune in and then use DataFlower. Thank you.